Hello, I hope you're having a nice day. So I'm here to talk to you about our newest release, which is the Isabelle Blouse that I am wearing. She comes in a version of as a blouse, but also as a dress. And I've got one here, although I'm sure we'll insert some images so that you can see it better rather than just on a hanger. So you can make her in a dress with a knee length option or also midi as well. So the blouse comes with really pretty fluted sleeves, so perfect for this time of year. She's got a really lovely curved V-neck, which I think is so pretty and elegant as well. Not elegant, I keep saying elegant, but I don't mean that, but I just think it's a really lovely neckline. Can't think of the word. And then she's got a button placket all the way down. So to show you the length of the top, sorry this is creased because I've had it tucked in all day, but that is the length. So if you wanted to wear her out, she's a really decent length. Or you can of course tuck her in. Nice to tuck her into some ultimate jeans perhaps. So this would be a confident beginner pattern. There's no zips obviously, there is a binding around the neckline, and there's the placket as well, but it's really simple. You've got a nice dart here for the bust, so easy to do full bust adjustments, and of course she comes in sizes 6 to 30. So really nice, very wearable, very versatile pattern for this time of year. This is viscose, which we do have this fabric in, and fingers crossed we still have it in when you're watching this. So this is a really lovely viscose. We've also got the crepe that this is made out of as well, and all the links will be in the description box below. And the version that Rosie wore, we've also got that as well. That's also a really nice viscose. Make sure you check out our Instagram because we'll be doing a little styling video for that, so you can see what we're wearing, what we're putting it with. But I'm sure you'll find that Isabelle will just slide into your wardrobes and be a really useful dress or blouse to have in there. Make sure you also look up the hashtag SOI Isabelle Blouse, because our lovely pattern insiders will no doubt have populated that already on Instagram, and you can start to see other people's makes and what they're using fabric wise, and then you can do the same so we can be inspired by yours. Anyway, thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing all of your lovely Isabelles out there, and we'll see you soon. Bye.